I'm so shocked when I go to a conference and the moderator or the speaker opens the floor to Q&A and no one is asking a question. That sounds insane to me. You basically go there, you're fighting with thousands of people to stand out and be available, visible to the people you want to meet. They give you the mic. Why don't you take the mic, do a short presentation of yourself and ask a clever question? And after the panel or the speaking is over, go and say hello to the speaker as well. He will have noticed you. You'll be so cool to ask him a question that he will be thankful as well. And for the crowd around, they will remind you, they will say, oh, this guy was asking a question. Trust me, that is something so simple to do, but so little people are doing it.